Anyway, today, we will be opening the 19th Annual Panagtao Trade Fair and Jobs Fair in cooperation with the Department of Trade and Industry. This is in celebration, the week-long celebration of the 504th anniversary of the Giwan part in the first circumnavigation of the world. You know, this is really very important to celebrate because it is on this day when Magellan first landed in our shores that the Philippines was discovered, and that it is also during this time naging kita han kalibutan an aton humanity, an aton kindness, an aton magnanimity. This is what we are, Giwananons. This is our gift to the world, our humanity. That's why ayaw la naton nga ngalimtit aton mga kinaiya because this is the brand of Giwananons nga mga buutan kita, makitawo kita, nanginginano, hit mga tao nga nanginginahanglan. So I would like to invite everyone, those who want to go to Humonhon, pwede ka mo, mga taga-LGU, pwede ka mo kumadtuha Humonhon, pwede ito niyo, diri ka mo absent, kung makadto ka mo, so that you can witness the celebration in Humonhon. I do not have the schedule yet, but our tourism officer, Miss Janet, ano pa doon ini? Israel Ramos, adto ko kuha at aton schedule. So mga hinigugma ko nga mga tagagiwan, padayon la kita, and I would like to congratulate the local government unit of Giwan for being one of the performers or being one of the awardees again for the Seal of Good Local Finance Housekeeping. Congratulations. This is we receive this consistently, and we are very happy that damo na nga mga awards it nagkakakarawat it mga Giwan. And also today, this month is Women's Month celebration. And then we know the importance of women in our society. Without us women, maybe the world will be in chaos. Maybe the world will have no love because it is us, the women, na naghahatag talaga hinggugma because of our very compassionate heart. So, let us kababayinan, kalalakinan, parakpakigad kami niyo. It's kababayinan. And kababayinan, parakpak kita gadlot it kalalakinan because without the men, we will never be inspired. They inspire us. Okay? To all of you, fellow Giwananons, let's just move on. Padayon la kita. Maupay tingangadtuan ni Taton Bungto, Giwan, Bungto ta, higugma ta. Damo nga salamat tayo nga tanan.